Hello everyone and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a Discord server. And as I always say, it's going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3, just like ABCs. And today let's move on how to make a Discord server. So over here, as you can see right below this name, let's leave this channel first. Right below over there we got plus. All we want to do is, instead of adding a server, actually let's go back to the default version of Discord, because that's going to be so much easier for us to work with. It should be in themes, right? Yeah. Anyways, all you want to do is press on that plus button, create my own server for our club or community. Nah, it's just for me and my friends. And over here I just want to write making server, because we're making a server. If you want, you can upload a picture. I don't want to upload a picture, so I ain't gotta. So I'm just gonna press on that create button, and boom, I just created a Discord server. And as I mentioned before, it's as easy as ABC, just like 1, 2, 3. With that being said, I hope you found this video extremely helpful. If you did, drop a like and hit that notification bell, as well as that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be coming out with more content, and it's gonna be way better than all the others on this platform. Peace out, guys. Keep on grinding. Bye bye.